Delhi saw a slight improvement in air quality as the city recorded an air quality of 285 over the weekend, which was marked in the poor category. The first such occurrence is October 29, according to the Central Pollution Control Board. The improvement was aided by sunny weather and favorable wind conditions that helped disperse pollutants. This year, 2024, stands out starkly as the most polluted in the past 7 years. Not in a single day in November saw an AQI drop below 300, which highlights the city's air pollution challenges. Meanwhile, let us listen into some of the reactions that are coming in from some of the residents of Delhi.
हो रही है, पोल्यूशन इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा है, मतलब जो भी ओल्ड व्हीकल्स हैं वो बंद हो जानी चाहिए क्योंकि उनकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन हो रहा है। और बच्चों के स्कूल ऑनलाइन कर देने चाहिए। जितने भी बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं उनको इतनी ज़्यादा दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, वो अपने घर से बाहर निकलते हैं तो उनको मास्क लगा के निकलना चाहिए और बच्चों के स्कूल ऑनलाइन कर देने चाहिए क्योंकि छोटे छोटे बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं, उनको भी बहुत दिक्कतों का सामना कर।
ये देखो अभी यहाँ पे आए हैं इंडिया गेट पे, मतलब सुबह के टाइम क्या अभी 7 बज रहे हैं और बिल्कुल कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा। मैं पहले आता था वहाँ पूरा राष्ट्रपति भवन मुझे दिखता था, यहाँ पे अभी कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है। बिल्कुल गले में मतलब सांस लेने में इतनी दिक्कत हो रही है और फिर आंखों में जलन हो रही है। मैं आंखें खोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ। अभी मैं ड्राइव करके आया हूँ, आंखों में दर्द हो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है अभी मैं आंसू आ जाएंगे अभी आंखों से, ऐसा लग रहा है। राशक्ति अभी न्यूज़ में भी दिखा रहे हैं कि इतने पोल्यूशन की वजह से ऐसा है कि दिन की एक आदमी 20 से 25 सिगरेट्स पी रहा है।
We have with us my colleague Mehendi Garg joining us live from New Delhi. Mehendi, good morning to you. And now we're seeing that there's a slight level of improvement when it comes to pollution in Delhi. But what's exactly the situation on the ground that you could share with us?
Well, Ria, good morning to you as well and all the viewers that are watching Newsx. And talking about the pollution, then the past few days, rather we can say, Ria, that the past few weeks were very difficult for the people of Delhi because they were, forced to breathe in the toxic air, in the fumes of toxicity that was engulfing the national capital. But right now, the situations can be seen a little better because right now, the air quality index in most of the hotspot areas of Delhi are considered and are registered to be under the 300 level, between 200 to 250 levels, which is very better in comparison to the earlier situations the past few days. And but still, right now, some of the places have still, can be observed to be the hotspots. So whether we talk about the Anand Vihar area, the ISBT Kashmiri Gate area, so these are some of the hotspots where the vehicular pollution is lost because of the the bus terminal there and the buses coming from various states. So yes, these are some of the places right now that are still under very poor condition. But as of now, the condition in the national capital is still better. But talking about the problems that were being observed in the people of Delhi due to this increasing pollution, then they were feeling breathing issues, coughing issues, itchiness in their eyes, skin-related problems. So issues were many, but the problem was the same. And from the past few years, this problem pertains in the national capital. But still, the question still remains the same. Then when will be the permanent solution taken out to combat this air pollution situation? Because as of now, winters are approaching. There is a sense of cold in the environment right now, and also sun rays are there. So yes, naturally the pollution has been declined, but the steps that were being taken were also temporary this year also. So the question remains the same: when will the temporary solutions be used in the national capital to combat the situation? Yes, Priya.
Mehendi, when it comes to Delhi pollution, the Supreme Court is also set to hear a PIL on that. So what's the latest that is coming in terms of that?
To ask several questions, rather very strict questions to the Delhi government, that what the Delhi government is doing to combat this situation. And earlier also we all saw that how several hearings happened and Supreme Court has taken a very strict action and the questions that were put up to the Delhi government. But right now, one PIL will also be heard by the Supreme Court, and then it will be interesting to see that what all questions still remains for the Delhi government to be answered. Because this situation is very critical, and this year we all saw that how several hearings happened in the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has bashed, we can say that Supreme Court has bashed the Delhi government for not taking care of this problem very carefully.